What's up everyone, Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about how you can earn money online with AI in 2025. I'm going to be showing you how to get started for free, and then I'm going to show you how to automate everything step by step. Now let's talk about the first thing you want to do in order to get started with this method. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and drop a comment to grab the full free checklist, group, and cash giveaway that we are doing. And all you would need to do, just go to digitalplaybook.com, and then you will get redirected to a place to join our group. So as you can see right here, this group has 12 people in it. You'll be able to get access to myself, myself, all the done for you content that I'm about to go over, pre-written emails, and like I said, access to the digital playbook. Now this is for free right now, and we have 12 people in here. Once this gets to 100 members, I am going to add a price, because all the things in this digital playbook right here, it is super valuable. As you can see, we already have one person in here taking some action. You get access to a list of 130 tools you can get paid to promote. This is where all the short form done for you content is. I'm also working on generating some more AI content that you guys can use directly. So that's going to be coming shortly in this checklist. But this is the first place you need to go to get started, digitalplaybook.com. Now let's go back to the notepad. So first thing is we want to set up an automated follow system with our snapshot. Now what a snapshot is it is a screenshot, or basically it's everything that I'm using in my backend software. So if you don't already have Go High Level, this is the CRM that I use. You don't have to use this, but if you want the snapshot, you need this so you can import all my emails, funnels, and all the custom values and things that I use. So once you sign up for that, you want to go ahead and go back here and then click on here for the snapshot. What this will do, take you to a page where all you have to do is click yes, import, and then it'll import it into your account. So right here is your account. It's not going to look exactly like this, but the three main things that I want to touch on are going to be marketing, automations, and sites. But to make sure that we're going through everything step by step, just going to go back over here to the notes, install a tracking pixel. So what this is a new tool that I've become aware of. It's called Traffic ID, and it is a anonymous website visitor authentication tool. So what this allows you to do is I have a tracking pixel right here on my website, and they don't even have to fill in an opt-in form for them to be populated right here. As long as they're on the website, there is a 30 to 40% chance that you'll be able to find their information. So let's just take a look at Becca. She was on this page for 23 seconds. Give it her name, and if I would hit show more, it would actually show her like her IP, not her IP address, but like the city or state that she's in. So this tool has literally been a game changer, because about 40% of the people will enter in their information on my opt-in form, but I've been able to get 10, 12 extra leads from that. So definitely go ahead and check out that tool. It's actually right here, Traffic ID. If you use the link too, you'll get an extra 20% off, but I love this tool. I'm going to be using it for a while. So what you want to do is once you import your URL, you will be able to get this tracking pixel, and let's go here, traffic pixel. So copy that to clipboard, and then all you do is we're going to go over here to sites, and then let's just go to any site right here. Let's go to the old funnel settings right here, head tracking code. This is where you would paste your tracking pixel. Then you would just hit save, go back here, click verify, boom, voila. Now all you have to do is start driving traffic to your site, and 30 to 40% of the time you will be able to grab some data. Now, if you want some more information on them, just go to brandwell.ai. They'll tell you everything, but this is game changer. So once we have that installed, we want to just making sure we go step by step here, set up your AI clone. Now, I put this as a third step because that's where I'm on, but if you're just getting started, I would just recommend you downloading some of these videos first so you can at least start posting content. So to generate your clone, you need a tool called ChatGPT, obviously, but replicate right here. This is a video or an image of me walking in the rain. Here's the prompt. But if you want to know how I set this up, it's super easy. It takes 20 minutes. There is a video right here. Where is it? Setting up avatar right here, this YouTube video. Go ahead and watch that. And this is just the link to replicate. But if you just go through this checklist and you join the group, have any questions, you should be able to start seeing results within 30 days. Okay, so going back to the notes, we have our clone set up, and then we're going to use ChatGPT to help craft titles, descriptions based on what's trending on Spotter. So Spotter is the tool that I've been using to grow my YouTube channel. As you can see, pretty small in followers, but I'm getting decent amount of views, and that is because I'm using this tool. Now they're also giving away $25,000. Definitely join, sign up, chance to win. But let's go ahead and log in. So the main area where I'm using Spotter is the Outliers tab. So as you can see up here, 1.2, 2.1, this is the percentage that it's standing out compared to their normal videos. So if I want to look up videos about cooking, and I want to filter subscriber count under 1,000 and newest outliers. So this right here, this was uploaded about a week ago. 25,000 subs, but this has 200,000 videos. So if I were to take this and use it for something in my niche, like 25 bizarre things from the past about AI that you've never seen before, it's a pretty good chance that it's going to do pretty well. I'm going to save that because I might do that later. So this is what I'll do, 10, 20 minutes a day or week, just to see where everything's going as far as what's hot right now, what's been hot, because everything is what is going to work today. So that's what I use this tool for. I don't really do it so much as creating a project because I have a pretty good system down. But as far as finding ideas, this tool is amazing. And it's a 60-day free trial too. Like, so you could use it for 60 days, get a bunch of information, and then just cancel. So definitely check it out. All right, we're going to notes. So this right here, this last one, this is the key to everything. It's consistency and taking action. You're going to hear me say that a lot, taking action and consistency. But one long form video, one short form, and one email a day. If you can start doing this, you will start to see results. The biggest, the most, I can't even speak. The thing that I would focus on first is one short form a day and just start scheduling out content. So inside Go High Level, if you go to marketing up here, you have a calendar where you can schedule out content for weeks in advance. So what I'll do at the end of every month is I'll schedule out all my content for the month. So this video is December 20th right now. Here soon, I'm going to start working on scheduling out my content for January. I already have some content out there, but it really helps to have the short form. And then at the beginning of every week, I'll think about the long forms that I have to make. And then the emails, I have that on autopilot just from automations. If you get the snapshot, you'll have all these automations. One thing I'm also going to think about start doing is going live. Just going live so you can see what I'm doing and ask questions. I'm either going to go live in Discord just because some of the things that I'm doing I can't even talk about on YouTube. And I'm getting a call and I'm not going to edit that out. So a lot of the things that I'm doing, I can't even talk about on YouTube and some of the strategies. So really encourage you to join the group, ask me questions, because I'm here to help. This is literally what I'm doing, and you can do the same. So go ahead, go to digitalplaybook.com, join us. You get all this information for free. And if you like AI and like AI tools, you're going to like this group. So that's it for this one, AI Pros, and I'll see you in the next one.